Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
U Menteri Rangba ke Jylla u konrad ke Sangma, haba jubab halor ke Jingpen Pau jong u Secretary ke NEC, baka Sorkar Jylla kam shem lala pendan kam, pura ye ki skim na ke Sorkar Pedeng. Ulaong Lada ke Sorkar Meghalaya, kam shem lala ban pentre kam, ka Meghalaya, kanomla ban yo, ya ka Mang Pisa bakerpang, kumbah nyos pa hadu, si hajar Klur tingkah. Ulaong bakam long kabasok kumbala ong dagi officer, kidon kidaw bat kijing e, namar kidon shibon ki kendon, baka NEC bat kiwe kitanat ka Sorkar Pedeng. Namar Lada lab baki don kijing duna, la kadai ha kijing duna ki jaka ni kijing bambiang ke kendo, bat haban penkala, kalenti ban pa shi ke NEC bat banyo e kijing menjur, ka shempor di ki benai, bat teng ki pa shi kitanat ki badai pen, teng ki pan di ki expert ban tokyen, bat kani ka penlong ki Jylla ban shem shibun kijing e. Habaya day bat kijing Mang Pisa ke NEC kumba shibhau Klur na ka benta, kijing ban bahaya ka yodo, Nakaliang Menteri Rangba ula ay kublay u Secretary ke NEC, baula Mang kerpang nakabenta ka niya, pat nakaliang ka Sorkar ru kaladap Mang Pisa kumpa san Klur tingka nakabenta ban penpa ye kilenti kisingkin, bat ru iginala. Ulaong balada ka Mang Pisa jong ka NEC kan Urlong, kanong kabadon bok shibun bakin la ban penpa shu ya ka yodo.
If Meghalaya's absorption capacity was not up to the mark, then we would not be able to absorb 700 to now 2,000 crores. If Meghalaya's absorption capacity was not there, then in Jal Jeevan we would not be able to absorb the 1,200, 1,300 crores we're getting this year, and getting a bonus every year in Jal Jeevan. If Meghalaya's absorption capacity was not there, then the 140,000 PMAY houses, we have already come to the last utilizations. You see that is about 300 crores. We have already utilized 1,200 crores this year, which is a record because all the years put together, we have got more houses this year and constructed them within this year compared to the last 20 years. So therefore, it's not as simple as mentioned by certain officials. There are problems because there are a lot of guidelines and a lot of provisions that are there in NEC and donor ministry, which we have flagged in the NEC meeting. Like for example, I'll just give you, once we say suppose start a project, and suppose tomorrow we have to change the scope of work to whatever level that has to be done because say the soil condition was bad or some permissions were not received or land was falling short. The process of sending that back to NEC and getting the entire approval again done takes months. Sometimes they send it again to to line department of say the tourism ministry to get their views from government of India, or they will ask for experts to be brought in, consultants to be brought in, and this kind of process and procedure just makes life very difficult. So therefore, you will see that in NEC and donor, most states are not able to absorb because of the different kind of provisions that are there, which I don't blame. They have to do their homework, but as I said, if the absorption capacity was not there, then we would not be able to absorb either Jal Jeevan Mission, nor the IPMAY, nor the Special Assistant on Capital Investment. So therefore, the fact that we are able to absorb double of what was budgeted for us in those schemes, which is in thousands of crores. Just to give an example, NEC's entire year's budget is 1,900 crores for all the northeastern states. The capital investment fund that we are absorbing is 2,000 crores just from one scheme. So therefore, it just reflects that if we can absorb 2,000 crores from capital investment, then why can't we do from NEC? So therefore, there must be some issues that are there. And those are the issues I've explained to you right now, that there are too many procedures, too many aspects that are there, complications, too many approvals to be taken, which just keeps going back and forth. I'll just give you some example of the turmeric mission, the Lakarong mission. We had asked for some processing units to be given. It was a 5 crore amount. So then a better technology came by the time we got the sanctions. So we wanted that technology to be enhanced. So we asked NEC to approve that. That approval has not come till now. So if they just simply said it's the same thing, it's the same purpose is the same, but technology is different. And if approvals were given, then it would be very easy. But again, as I said, NAC has got its own guidelines, its own procedures, which we don't blame. They have to follow that. But if the ministry would streamline those procedures, which I had mentioned in the NEC meeting, then we would be able to utilize things in a much faster pace. So therefore, there is a lot of homework to be done in that aspect. Another thing which you mentioned about NEC, I'm thankful to our NEC secretary. He mentioned that you'll be giving 10 crores for the Yodo construction and rehabilitation, not rehabilitation, construction and renovation. So we are happy to announce that already state government has initiated the process, and 5 crores tender has already been floated for the improvement of the nalas and the footpath in Yodo. So this is already started. So the NEC's sanction, if it comes through, then it will be a great help to us. But in that Yodo aspect also, we will be getting funds from the special capital also, a special assistant for capital investment to do that. And the first phase, as I said, has already been tendered. We should be allotting the work in about a week's time or 10 days' time. And we're hoping that the road, the footpath and the Nala construction will start in Yodo. And whatever additional funds NEC will support us with, we'll be happy to utilize that also.
Sir,